Guys, we moved the food outside. Now it's her turn. All right, now we got the burgers. All right, guys, this is how we're getting our eating out together. Walking around. They got a little garden out here, and they got a skate park. Pickleball. Then you got the courts. Basketball courts. Haven't seen trees like this in a while. It's been a long time. It's probably been over a year. Take some pictures. Her with the baby. What is up, guys? Brand new day. Waking up in Boston. It's 7 a.m. About to go out here and start our day. Alright, guys, we're going through the hotel. We're gonna go downstairs and they got breakfast here. We're gonna get coffee and eat something, then we're gonna walk. And it is busy, 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 and I got the baby. It's alright. Don't cry. Alright, guys, we're taking turns eating breakfast. Because one person's gotta get her to sleep. And one person's gonna eat. Guys, we're back on the streets. Brand new day. It's a little chilly out, but I gotta be honest, it's pretty nice. Doesn't it feel nice out? Yes. Yeah, it feels pretty nice out. We got our Mazda parked over there. We're walking towards Elliott Bridge. All right, we broke off the main road. Now we're going into the woods. We're going in this path. It's pretty nice. A lot different than Florida beach life. This is Northeastern University's boathouse. Still walking. We've been walking about 30 minutes. So our son's not rowing today. He's rowing tomorrow. Athletes warm-up tent. Here's some college rowers. Harvard, Brown. There's Harvard right over there. Harvard University. You guys remember that movie, The Social Network, with Mark Zuckerberg and the Winklevoss twins? The two twins, they said they rowed crew. Well, those twins, they ended up creating Gemini, the crypto exchange, Gemini. Well, they just sponsored US Rowing, the team, so now it's Gemini.com US Rowing. I think they gave them like $6.5 million or something. But that's where the movie was supposed to take place. It was supposed to take place at Harvard. All right, guys, this is Harvard's boathouse. Guys, we just ran into our son, which is what we were trying to do. Now we're walking through a nice little park. It's John Fitzgerald Kennedy Park. Here's the Harvard trains. This is Harvard Square. We're trying to find a place to eat. It's busy, busy, busy. As we were looking for a place to eat, we landed on this place. They've got subs and sandwiches. Grab this table. They got all kinds of stuff in here. My wife picked what she wanted. Now I'm going to pick what I want. Oh, you already have one. Perfect. Can I have an Italian? Shout out to Julian. He's hooking up the subs. What's the name of this place?
Cardullo's.
Cardullo's?
Harvard, yes, Cambridge, Harvard.
Yeah, it's nice, man.
Hi, how are you guys?
Say hi. He's gonna check out the channel. Appreciate you, man.
Welcome all guys to Cardullo's.
Yep, appreciate it, dude. An Italian sub with these Irish potato chips. She got what'd you get? Prosciutto. Capri prosciutto. This baby stuff. We couldn't find a bathroom, so we're running around everywhere. Finally found one. We went down there, but you need a code, so I got the code. They're in the bathroom. Yeah, real entertaining video. I'm just showing you kind of, I don't know what I'm showing you, what I'm up to today. Warby Parker. She made it. She did it. She said she's not cut out for city life anymore. We used to live in downtown DC. And she's from a city. City life with children's hard. It's not as easy as people think. Alright, you ready? Let's get back out there. We gotta get back on the streets. Want to go get a coffee?
Yeah, I have to feed her somewhere.
Alright, you gotta feed her somewhere. shout out to the guy who left the comment about, we were talking about near-death experiences, and we were saying, you can go. And we were saying that the guy was saying over 4,000 accounts of people that he interviewed, they all said the same thing, that they had a life review. But when they had the life review, it wasn't about it wasn't about like the stuff they did in life. It was the thing, how they treated other people and the ripple effect it had on that person's life. Oh, let's cut across here. A lot of students here. We're going in this cool park. Oh, there's a coffee shop right across the street. Pete's Coffee and Tea. Nice little park. At Pete's Coffee. There's Harvard students in here probably working on the next crypto app. Hacking the mainframe. Ended up in this full house looking park. We're hanging out. We got our coffees. A Supra just went by. Right hand drive Supra with slicks on the back, but I couldn't catch it on the camera. Guys, this is the Harvard campus. We're about to go in there. Cambridge fire truck, ladder 1. They say Harvard's over 400 years old, founded in 1636. Cool. Those are the dorms, Harvard dorms, if you're wondering what they look like. This campus is extremely clean for not having any trash cans. I've been holding these mugs for like 2 hours trying to find a trash can. What's going on here? Are these always out here?
Every so often you run into them.
Class of 1881. Ye shall know the truth, and the truth shall make you free. That's kind of cool. People out here walking around. I'm at 13,700 steps. We're hitting 20,000 steps. We're just chilling right now. What's up, guys? Brand new day. Today's game day. Today's race day. And I'm putting everything in the car so we can walk. We just ate breakfast, throwing the suitcase in the car, and then we're gonna go walk to the races. There's my Mazda. All right, we're walking. We got about a 45-minute walk. We're getting to go into the Harvard boathouse.
Alright, this is light.